Hi all, welcome to the Salesforce campus. So today we are going to discuss the scenario number 4 of the trigger series, in which we are going to discuss, so whenever an account is getting created, automatically we need to create one related contact using that account name. Okay, so now we can go to the developer console. So I have already written this account trigger, and here I have written like that after insert. So why we are not writing it before insert, and why we have used after? So means if you use the before, the account ID will be not there. Okay, and when you create the contact, if you need, the requirement is like contact should be created, and that contact account ID field is required if you want to relate it. Okay, so that's why we need the after insert. Okay, now so this is the conditioning, means if conditioning, like if it is a is insert and if it is after, then go to this trigger handler and create a contact, and we need to pass it trigger.new. Why not trigger.old? Okay, so this is the insert after insert, and we need the trigger.new here. Okay, now coming to here, create contact. So what we need to do it here in this create contact? So first of all, we need to go for loop for this list of account. Okay, so account ACC, and whatever the list we have, go to it here, put it ACC list. Now what we need to do, we need to create one contact. So create first instance variable. So now the instance variable got created. So what is the contact at last name? So last name should be the required field. Okay, okay, before that, what I can do it, I will show it how currently it's behaving. Okay, so suppose that I'm creating one account, Salesforce, I'm saving it. So see, there's no any related contact created. Okay, so previously you are here. Okay, so what we are giving it, ACC dot name, whatever the name of that ACC, that name we are putting it here. Now we need to relate it also. So con dot lookup field value account ID equal to ACC dot ID. Okay, so till now we have done it. Now we can do it insert con, so it will insert it automatically. But for best practice, we cannot directly insert, sorry, we can not directly insert it like here. We cannot put DML operation inside the for loop. Okay, so for handling this, we need to remove first this, and we can take list of contact. Okay, now we can do it here, con list. In this list, we will add all the contact. So this is generally used for bulkification, means for multiple records if you are going. So I'm giving it. Now after that, I think we are getting any error. Let me check it. Okay, now no error. Now we need to check if this con list is empty or not. Suppose that means there is no any account itself or anything like that, means this con list is empty itself. Then no need to insert the data, no? Means no need to insert the contact. Okay, so in this scenario, we need to check con list dot is empty. Is empty. Okay, now check it. Not, because we need not, it should not be empty, so we need to put it not, and if it is not empty, then insert it. That's it, completed our code. Insert con list. Now save it. Yeah, it's saved. Now go to the account, try to create one new account, Salesforce campus. Now save it. It's got save. See, now one related account contact got created, and the name of that this and account name means related account, it is there. Thanks.